If you are looking to recover your suspended Facebook account but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can recover your suspended Facebook account. Make sure to follow each step and watch the video until the end to learn the process. Firstly, it's important to understand the difference between a suspended and a disabled account. When an account is disabled, you can't send messages on Messenger, and the profile picture of the disabled account won't be visible. However, if the account is suspended, you can still send messages on Messenger and the profile picture will still be visible. To start, head to your computer and log into your Facebook account. If it tells you that your account is suspended for 180 days, unless you appeal, scroll down to find the More Information section. Click on the Read More, where you'll find detailed instructions on what to do next. Once you've reviewed the information, close the page and scroll down to bottom to find Appeal option. Click on Appeal to proceed. You will be prompted to verify your identity through a CAPTCHA, and after completing that, you'll need to verify your information multiple times as a part of this process. After confirming, you'll be asked to enter your mobile number, the same number linked to your Facebook account. Be sure to include the country code when entering your number. After submitting your mobile number, you'll receive a 6-digit confirmation code on your phone. Enter this code to proceed. Upon verification, Facebook will ask you to upload a clear photo of yourself for identification. It's crucial that you need to upload a photo of your ID card. Instead, take a clear selfie in good lighting without any filters or blurriness, ensuring that only you are visible in the photo. Common reasons for account suspension includes creating multiple accounts under the same name or making accounts impersonating celebrities. Facebook wants to ensure that the account you are trying to recover belongs to you, so it's important to follow this step carefully. After submitting your photo, Facebook will send an email confirming that they received it. Within a day or two, they will provide an update on the status of your account. If everything is verified correctly, your account will be restored. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.